Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the account and connection. Sign into the PSN account that owns the licenses, and make sure your Ps4 is online with a stable LAN or Wi-Fi link. Once done, navigate to Settings Account Management. This is where the restore lives. Make sure the console is updated, because outdated firmware can block license checks. Then select Activate as your primary Ps4 just to verify account status. This primes the system so the restore command can find and reassign your licenses properly. Now you perform the central action. Go to Settings, then Account Management, and choose Restore Licenses. You press Restore, and the system queries Sony servers to revalidate your digital purchases and subscriptions. This replaces missing ownership flags. Be patient. Depending on connection, it may take a few minutes. While it runs, do not close the application, sign out, or power down because interrupted checks can leave assets inaccessible. After it finishes, the Ps4 will report success or an error code you'll use for troubleshooting. Finish by verifying results. Open your library and confirm previously missing games or add-ons are playable. Re-download any content that didn't auto-restore. If something failed, sign out of PSN, reboot the console, sign back in, and run restore licenses again. This often clears session or token issues. If you get an error code, note it and contact PlayStation support. Give them the code and steps you tried. A key troubleshooting tip: try activating the account as primary on another console, then reassigning. This can clear ownership conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.